Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various posts notified by the Center for Development of Advanced Computing for the law graduates and the other graduate and postgraduate. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. Center for Development of Advanced Computing, which has notified for the various posts: Senior Technical Officer, Technical Officer, Manager, Admin and Purchase, Admin Officer, Finance Officer, Purchase Officer. Senior Technical Officer, Level 11, 67,700 basic starting, posted in Silchar. There are 2 posts and that is for unreserved vacancies. Technical Officer in Level 10, that is 56,100 basic in Silchar, again 2 posts, and 1 post is for Scheduled Tribe and 1 post is for EWS category. Next post is Manager, Admin and Purchase in Level 12, that is basic is 78,800, located in Pune. 3 posts, 1 post for UR unreserved, 1 post for Scheduled Caste and 1 post for EWS category. Admin Officer Level 10 in 56,100, posted in Kolkata and Patna. 2 posts for Admin Officer, Finance Officer and Purchase Officer. Finance Officer is 3 posts and Purchase Officer is for 2 posts. Out of 2, 3 and 2 posts, that is 7 posts. 2 posts is for unreserved, 2 posts is for SC Scheduled Caste, 1 post is for SC ST Scheduled Tribe and 1 post is for OBC non-creamy layer and 1 post is for EWS category. Total posts notified are 14, out of which UR posts are 5. 3 posts is for SC category, 2 posts is for ST category, 1 post is for OBC NCL category and 3 posts is for EWS category. Now what is a requirement for this? It is very clearly mentioned that all the qualifying qualification should be regular course and must be from UGC recognized in Indian University / UGC Indian deemed university, AICTE approved. That is, only the regular degrees will be allowed and no correspondence and no part-time courses are allowed. Wherever MBA or equivalent has been mentioned as requirement, apart from MBA 2 years, full-time postgraduate diploma in management with specialization in relevant field recognized by the competent agency as mentioned above shall also be considered. MBA PG diploma in management qualification where there is mention of dual specialization, one of the specialization necessarily need to be function specific for which the post has been advertised. Minimum percentage of marks is in the essential qualification as specified shall be considered as per the institute university rules now. Proficiency in computer knowledge is essential. Experience only for those candidates which are relevant and acquired after the passing date of qualification will be considered. The decision of CDAC in this regard would be final and binding. Minimum essential post qualification experience in state, central government, state government, department, organization, undertaking and or large private sector organization, institution, companies of repute, public sector enterprise, large private sector enterprise should be as on last date of online application. However, industrial vocational apprentice training will not be considered as experience. The upper age of relaxed for 5 years for SC ST and 3 years for OBC NCL categories, 10 years for PWD general category candidates and 13 years for PWD OBC NCL categories and 15 years for PWD SC ST candidates are given. Government employees will be eligible for relaxation in age by 5 years. In case of ex-servicemen, it is also given in the advertisement. Selection process is written test, interview, group discussion etc. as deemed fit by the management will be deployed. Besides the initial pay of pay level, DNS allowance, HRA and transport allowance, appointed candidate will be entitled for medical reimbursement for self and dependent family members, OPD, IPD, leave travel concession, leave encashment, children education allowance, hostel subsidy, mobile reimbursement, newspaper allowance, book reimbursement, professional membership reimbursement, CPF, gratuity etc. as per extant rules of the CDAC. How to apply? The candidates are required to apply through online process only by visiting the website www.cdac.in. The opening date of submission of online application is 21st of April and closing date is 9th of May till 18 hours, that is 6 PM only. Application fees is 500. Applicable for the post through online Payment mode using internet banking or debit credit card during the online application processes CDEC website. No fee shall be payable by candidate belonging to SC/ST PWD candidates. Female applicants are also exempted from application fee. The addresses of CDEC. The candidate are advised to visit CDEC website regularly for notice, information, corrigendum, extension, etc. if any shall be published on our website www.cdec.in only. The address is Corporate Human Resource Development, Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDEC Innovation Bhavan, Park, Panchvati Pashan, Pune 411008. And email address is corphrd@cdec.in. Phone number 020-255-503626. For finance officer, it is a Group A officer post in regular level 10, that is 56,100. Upper age limit is maximum is 35 years for general candidate, and for SC/ST and OBC it is as per the rules. SC/ST 5 year and OBC 3 years. CTC is 13.78 lakh per annum approximately. Minimum qualification experience is CA or 2-year full-time MBA in finance, CA, ICW or equivalent relevant professional qualification with 3 years of relevant experience. Skill set is given. Then next is purchase officer, again Group A, non-SNT MAS A5 regular level 10, 35 years, again 13.78 lakh per annum. The qualification requirement is 2-year full-time MBA post graduation in material management or equivalent relevant professional qualification with 3 years of relevant experience. Admin officer, Group A, non-SNT MAS A5 regular level 10, again 35 years, CTC 13.78 lakh per annum. 2-year full-time MBA in management /HR personal management /LLB PG in relevant professional qualification with 3 years of relevant experience in administration. Manager purchase, Group A, non-SNT MAS A3 regular level 12, that is 78,800 is the starting basic, and for level 10 it is 56,100 starting basic. For level 11 the basic is 67,700 starting basic. For manager purchase, the approximately CTC is 19.20 lakh per annum. Requirement is bachelor degree with 2-year full-time MBA PG in material management, finance, operation or equivalent relevant professional qualification with 12 years of relevant post-qualification experience in purchase domain. Candidate with engineering qualification will be preferred. Manager admin, Group A, non-SNT MAS A3 regular level 12, 40 years maximum age. For both manager admin and manager purchase, the maximum age is 40 years. CTC is 19.20 lakh per annum. 2-year full-time MBA PG in admin management /LLB equivalent relevant professional qualification with 12 years of relevant experience in admin. Then comes to technical officer, Group A, SNT MTS A6 regular level 10, 56,100 basic starting. Upper age limit is 30 years. CTC is 13.80 lakh per annum. First class BE, BTech, MCA or equivalent degree in relevant discipline or postgraduate in engineering technology in relevant discipline, or first class postgraduate degree in science in relevant discipline or domain specific discipline. Then it is senior technical officer, Group A, SNT MTS A5 regular level 11, starting basic is 67,700. Its maximum age upper age limit is 33 years. CTC is 16.18 lakh per annum. First class BE, BTech, MCA or equivalent degree in relevant discipline and 3 years of experience, or postgraduate in engineering technology in relevant discipline with 1 year experience, or first class postgraduate degree in relevant discipline and 3 years experience, or postgraduate degree in domain specific discipline with 3 years of experience, or PhD in relevant discipline. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.